Guys, in this video today we are discussing about God of War game not working, God of War not launching issue, and God of War game not working, keep crashing on PC. How to fix this problem in this video I will tell you. So guys, keep watch this video and also click on subscribe button for more videos. So let's start and get some information about how to fix God of War not working. Some methods I will tell you in the video, so you need to try it. First of all, you need to check a game update. Anyone go to website official and check there any update available of a game of war. If still is there available on update, you need to update your game God of War. Next method is you need to check any file will be corrupted for games. Repair corrupted games file. You check go your file manager and see there any file will be corrupted. If yes, then you need to repair this file because corrupted file can't work and game not working. So guys, you need to do these tricks. Another one is a run the game as an administrator, and you need to update a driver if your driver validity expire or maybe some issue need you need to update driver, and you need to run this game on administrator. Some other things are God of War. If still not working, then you need to close your PC and then again restart it. This is all of tricks I have tell it you need to do, and your game crashing or game not working problem will be 100% fixed. Please subscribe it if you can't.